the importance of what you're doing here?
About 2 seconds of the video will just be his wing going up and down.
But why do we want to see the wing?
Because it has active aero, baby.
DRS.
DRS, that's what I said.
It is probably the coolest feature of this car. What do you think?
Oh yeah.
The DRS?
Besides the driver. Besides the driver.
The driver's always the best. And you're also doing something that is essential to every car video that people produce, right?
Oh yeah, audio?
Audio.
I'm an essential worker now.
And settings wise, how do you know how to get it to the right decibel level for the exhaust note that
That's
each
why
car
I ride.
produces? That's why you ride. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this car has probably one of the nicest exhaust notes because he has done an aftermarket adjustment. What did you put on this?
Full Dundon exhaust.
Full Dundon.
With the headers.
With the headers.
And it's a mini crack.
Mini crack.
Mini crack Dundon exhaust.
Nice. It sounds good. We're about to hear it though. That's Lenny, by the way. We're not certainly gonna use you in the footage, but you can say hello.
Hello.
All right, we're about to do a flyby. Over.
All right, I'm coming.
I don't know. So good. That Dundon setup on this car, bro. It's where it's at. This sounds race car. That's why you did it though, right?
Yes.
Race car on a Porsche is absolutely necessary. So Remnant now is making a switch from the front to the back. How long does it take, Remnant?
I don't know, time it. Squeak, pipe, yeah.
Do you always try to get front and back shots in one go?
If I can, the more the better, but
What do you prefer?
back for sure. Back for like rollers, but the front for like the aggressive stuff, just because I feel like it gives it a little bit of that.
I bet you got it all set up. It's pretty easy to hook up, huh? You just suction cup and go. Like a pro. Less than 5 minutes. You said 5 minutes. I kind of timed it, but I didn't. It's kind of that internal clock. Man, I couldn't like think of like how to make this like right. I needed you to be more like responsive.
Yeah, sorry, I was locked in there.
You were locked in. Totally in it.
When I start doing the suction cup stuff, I get stressed because I'm like, one thing goes wrong and I'm cracking his window, or the camera's falling off, and you know.
Fair. So I was more of a distraction than help trying to record. Trying to help him record the RS in front, which that thing is so cool. I want one. I know, I have an STO. Stop complaining about life.
Yeah. I'm just hoping I make it from A to B in the Focus ST.
But back to car content. Can you guys comment and tell me if you hear? Across the phone, life ain't stolen. Oh, how cold. Oh yes, and the brakes are nice. Carbon ceramics, right? Ceramics. Yeah, it's the way to go. Thanks, Lenny. You have officially, no, I already knew I want one, but you've helped convince me that everybody that's the naysayer to say not to get one, I'm gonna get one. So if any of you Porsche sellers out there want to sell me a RS, hook me up. You know my channel, The Man in the Machine. Smash subscribe, hit the like, turn on the notification.
Racing is life. Anything that happens